Hey guys, good morning. This video is also going for our best club, okay? And I think this video is more important than the previous one. So let's start. I will tell something important things which is more necessary. It was introduction, like it was the previous one video was like just introduction. This is something like important. I will share something in exploration that what we have to do, what the things we can do and how to do, okay. And also that idea that about which I was telling you in the previous video, but I didn't discuss it, so I will discuss it today, okay. So let's explore. Today we can see there are more question marks here. In previous video there are only one question mark, this one, which her condition is not full. I can't fulfill her condition because if question my question is not 2 lakh, so we will do it next time. But there are also two question mark here also. Let's take let's see this one, okay. What can I help you? I am the Sao Yao who had been in your community before. I am still a member, but I have not been back in a long time. She is still a member, but she is not in our club. And if you want to bring her back in our club, in your club, then fulfill her condition. And her condition is current club fund is 1 lakh. Your current club fund should be 1 lakh. Then after she will join your club. Otherwise she will not. And I don't have 1 lakh 1 lakh club fund, so she will not join my club. So we will see her next time. Now the third question mark. Let's see who is here. Yeah, Big Brother. He is a Big Brother, means his name is Big Brother. He's also still a member, but he is not in our club. So let's see his condition. Alright, if you put a steel poke at the top of your backpack, I will think about joining the club again. Now, his condition is easy. You have to choose a steel Pokemon and keep the Pokemon at the top of your backpack. Let's wait, I will show you. Let's go at home and my home. Steel Pokemon, Super, Steel Pokemon. Yeah, Metagross is a steel Pokemon. I will choose Metagross. Let's choose Metagross and then keep the Metagross at the top as I did this. And now again go in your club. This condition is easy. Sometimes you will get this type of condition which is easy to fulfill, and then after he will join your club, I think. Let's see. I will show him uh, exploration again and then show him. It will consume 5 energy, but let's show him because I can go. Yeah, he joined. After fulfilling his condition, he joined our guild, and now I have 4 members. Well, I didn't expect you to meet my requirements. I completed his requirements, and now he is our club member. Okay. Now you can see in name list. Yeah, Big Brother. You can see his character attributes and character skills also. Okay. Some of my members are doing some work. Let's see. Let's bring them back. She was showing on the show. Now her task is completed. Where are two? Where are others two? Now all of them are free. Yeah, all of them are free, as you can see. Yeah, snack bar. Let's buy something. I can buy. No, I can't buy anything. Leave it. Okay. Now the second one. If how to give a task to a member. Let's go in field. Okay. I will choose field. Then start the game. Click on start the game and select anyone. Member dispatch and select anyone. I will select Inoi. Okay. Inoi. Wait. Tips. I will select Inoi. Okay. Click on dispatch. Yeah, selected, and then start execution. In this way, you can give any member task. Okay. Now important one, the idea that which I was sharing with you. Click on teaching building. Then participate in defense. Participation in defense. You have to select 3 members. I will select these 3 members. Dispatch, dispatch, dispatch. Now 3 was selected, and now start execution. But before execution, you can see here enemy squad. In the right hand side, you can see Siriesi, Ryoko, Kale, Yukio, Yano, Michael, whatever, I don't know. Sorry for pronunciation. Okay, these are the opponents, and we have 3 members: Aurora, Secretary, and Big Brother. So let's start execution. Now it is a conversation. It is like a conversation. He will say something. Okay, you have to read it. Okay, after reading, you can see you can wait for him. You can see opponents execute is 20. Let's choose execute which is more than his. I will choose secretary. Here high execute is 63. You can see here execute 63 and his execute is 20. So I will win. Secretary will win. Look, successfully answered back. Secretary won. Okay. Now Kale is saying something. Let's listen here. Let's listen her. You don't need to read this all. Okay, you don't need to read this all. You have to just see that these 6 characteristics whatever she has. Okay, let's see. Execute, her execute is 44, and Aurora execute 31, Big Brother execute 36. I will lose. I am lost. My execute is less, so Aurora will lose. You can choose anyone, either Aurora, either or a Big Brother. I had choose Aurora, but she will lost. Look, failed to answer back because her execute was less than that, less than her. Now again, myself, Michael. Oh, but Michael. Opponent tips. Opponent tips. Secretary tip is 52 and Big Brother tip is 71. I will choose 71. Let's choose Big Brother. Okay. In the same way, you have to do this, but but till when means for how many time you have to do this. You can see current fighting wheel on the top. You can see here current fighting wheel of Aurora 87, secretary 100. Wait, stamina 38, 66, and 32. I will choose secretary. Her stamina is more than her. Okay. In the same way, I choose and I won. So whenever you will win, you will decrease their potential by some points. In the right side, in the green card, you can see her their points either increasing or decreasing. So when you will win, their points will decrease, and everyone have 100 points. You can see current fighting wheel 87. Stamina I will choose Big Brother. Stamina is 68. It's like a card game. It's like a card game. It will take some time. Okay, so keep playing until you win, until the match will end there. And when match will end, and if you have win the match, then you will get a high amount of points. Look, opponent tip 61 and secretary tip is 62. Also secretary. So in this same way as I am playing, you will also play this, and after winning you will have a great power increasement. Okay, so I am stopping this video because if I will play the entire game, the video will be so long. So you have to do the same as I am doing. Okay, let's see the last one. Opponent stamina 15, Big Brother stamina 68, and Aurora 37. Let's choose Aurora, and she will win. Okay, so you have to do like this same. I think you understand this, and keep doing this because after winning, you will have a great increasement in your power in your club popularity. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.